Is non-stick cookware safe to use? Let's start by distinguishing between Teflon, that is a brand name, and polytetrafluoroethylene, chemical name of the coating that is used. We use PTFE because it is remarkably non-reactive with anything. For something to stick, it requires that chemical bonds be formed, and PTFE hates everything. There are two broad concerns. Number one, it produces toxic fumes. But PTFE breaks down well above 290 Celsius. The highest temperature you are likely to encounter in the kitchen is about 180 Celsius when you're deep frying something. Your food will be carcinogenic well before you reach those temperatures, at which point non-stick fumes are the least of your problems. As long as you don't forget a non-stick pan on a hot stove for several hours, you have nothing to worry about. 2. It peels off with usage and you end up consuming small bits of it over time. See, this is where the legendary non-reactivity of PTFE is important to appreciate. For something to be toxic, it has to react with stuff inside your intestine. And if PTFE was reactive, it wouldn't be non-stick in the first place. So even if small bits did get into your food, it will simply go out the other end safely. So non-stick cookware, perfectly safe to use. Tips to maintain non-stick cookware: don't use steel wool, use silicone ladles, and don't listen to people who scare you about things that make life easier in the kitchen.